Hey friends, welcome back. Today we'll solve these expressions by two methods. Our first method is here the value of x is given. The value of x is 5 square root 2 plus 7. Now from here we'll calculate the value of x raised to the power 4 plus 1 over x raised to the power 4. For that we'll have to calculate the value of 1 over x. So from here the value of 1 over x will reciprocally it is 5 square root 2 plus 7. Now for rationalizing the denominator we'll multiply it by 5 square root 2. Here the plus sign is given, so we'll write negative 7 and that is divided by same value, that is 5 square root 2 minus 7. Now the value of 1 over x is that is equal to the value of this term will be 5 square root 2 minus 7. So how we have written 5 square root 2 minus 7? Now look at here, it is in the form of a. If you look at 5 square root 2 as a and 7 as b, so this value will be again a, 5 square root 2 is a and 7 b. So it is a plus b times a minus b. A plus b times a minus b, and it is the formula of a square minus b square. So a square minus b square. So the value of 5 square root 2, so it is 5 square root 2 and its square minus b means 7, so 7 square. So here 5 square is 25, 25 multiplied by 2 is 50. So 50 minus 7 square is 49. So the result we'll get 50 minus 49 is 1. So 1. So in the denominator we'll get 1. So the value of 1 over x is 5 square root 2 minus 7. Now from here we can calculate x plus 1 over x. The value of this term will be, now we'll add x value, that is 5 square root 2 plus 7, and the value of 1 over x here is plus 5 square root 2 minus 7. So here minus 7 and plus 7 is eliminated. So we have 5 square root 2 and 5 square root 2, that is 10 square root 2. So in the next step we will square both sides. So it is x plus 1 over x and we'll square it, and in the right hand side we have got 10 square root 2 and its square also. Now the value of this term is a plus b whole square type. So we'll write x square plus 1 over x square plus 2 times ab means 2x and 1 over x. So in the right hand side we will get 10 square is 100, 100 multiplied by 2 is 200. So we have 200 in the right hand side. So here x and 1 over x gets cancelled. So the value of x square plus 1 over x square will be, we will take this 2 in the right hand side, that will be negative 2. So 200 minus 2 is 198. Now again for value of 4, power of 4 value, we will square the left hand and right hand side. So x square plus 1 over x square and its whole square is 198 and its whole square. So it is in the form of a plus b whole square again. So it is x square and its square is x raised to the power 4 plus it is 1 over x square and its square will be 1 over x raised to the power 4 plus 2 times x square and 1 over x square, and that is equal to 198 square is 39,204. So here x square and x square gets cancelled. So the value of this term, that is x raised to the power 4 plus 1 over x raised to the power 4 will be, now we'll take this 2 again in the right hand side, that will be negative 2. So it will be 39,202. So the value of this term is 39,202 is our answer of the problem. So we have calculated this answer by our first method. Now for second method we will erase this. As the value of x is given, now from here we can calculate the conjugate value of x, that is 1 over x will be 5 square root 2 minus 7. Now from here we can directly calculate the value of x plus 1 over x, and the value of this term will be, if we'll add this term and this term, we'll get 10 square root 2, and we know the formula of x square plus 1 over x square when we know the value of the unit power value, that is x plus 1 over x. For that we'll square this term, so it is 10 square root 2 and we square and we subtract by 2. So the value of this term will be 200. So it is 200 minus 2 will be 198. Now in the next step, we have the power value of 2, the value we have calculated for the power value of 2. Now from here we have to raise the power up to 4. So we have been asked to raise power up to 4 in the problem. So now for again we'll raise power by 2. For that we write x4 plus 1 over x4. Similarly, we square the square value, that is 198 and its square, and we subtract by 2. So the value of 198 square is 39,204, and we will subtract it by 2. So the value of this expression would be 39,202. So this is our answer. So fine, if you like the video, do not forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching the video.